Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing an ice cream cone, so use whatever you want. We're using Sharpies, and what colors are we using?
Red, yellow, green, and brown.
Yeah, and I'm going to mention my sister Bird is coming to join along.
I love my brother.
And we're drawing ice cream.
I love my brother Bubby.
Okay, so what we're going to start with is first we're going to make a big U shape.
This thing doesn't work.
Just do your best. There you go. Lean back. And then we're going to add that, 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 and once more add that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make it opening its mouth. So draw that. This is so cute. And then you might want to draw the tongue and then color the surrounding around the tongue black. Oh, is your tongue sticking down? That's silly. And we're gonna draw.
Counts like an eyeball.
Two eyes.
The mouth
Yeah,
counts
cut
like
it.
an apple.
Yeah, then draw two eyes. Oh, it's like a giant tooth of what it looks like. And draw one big circle and then another.
I know.
Then around the, and then color the big part in, but leave these parts in white. Oh, and I wanted to mention, you might remember me from the mustard seed adventure things videos. And
and me.
soon, just
Yeah,
go
and
to,
me.
you gotta go and search for to go to Bubby's Art Shack. Just go on search and type in Bubby's Art Shack, and then it'll pop up at the bottom of the screen. So just make sure you. Oh,
I love
and
ice
draw
cream.
the little chocolate chips.
I have a bunch of chocolate chips.
There's a lot of chocolate chips. Okay, I think you're done with the chocolate chips now. There.
Done.
Okay. Now we're going to add that to it because this is part of the cone. And then add these two lines and connect.
I don't want to do this part. Let me just. First, I'm going to do this.
Yeah, you can't actually do that. That's another thing we're going to do.
I'm going to have to edit for it. Here.
Okay, you're good at that.
That looks super weird. Mine looks super weird.
Now, this part we're going to have to fast forward, and we'll see you at the end of the video. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, I guess. So, we're going to fast forward for this part, and of course we need green, red, brown, and yellow. So,
I'm just
let's
out of
fast forward.
brown.